Today, we're going to open the Accio October 2019 monthly subscription box. So I'm pretty excited about this box. It's the first box after we just came out of the 7 years of Hogwarts and the different books. And they have said that this one is going to be Halloween themed. So I'm super excited because I really haven't seen many Halloween items come out of any of these Harry Potter boxes. So let's go ahead and get into it because I'm really excited to see what they put in here. Oh, and there's blue tissue, so maybe there's a house-themed item in here, which in that case, it's going to be Ravenclaw because I'm a Ravenclaw. So let's see what we've got. Ooh. Ooh, this is like canvas. It's really pretty. Okay, so I think this is supposed to be Helena Ravenclaw or, yeah, okay, Lady Helena, and which is the gray ghost, which is Ravenclaw's ghost. This is super cute, and I love this wood, like, hanger they put on here so it keeps it stretched out. That is beautiful. I hope there's a mention of who the artist is in the cheat sheet because that's really pretty. So I wonder if each house got their own house ghost. So that's really cool. I wouldn't mind having all 4 of those. That's a really good start. Okay, so let's see what else we've got in here. Ooh, what's this say? Carve a Potterific pumpkin with these free patterns, and then it gives us a web page to go to. So there must be some different patterns for Harry Potter pumpkins. So that's super exciting. So, okay, cool. We'll have to check that out. Oh, what is this? It says, enjoy a wizard's brew. Oh, it's a pumpkin juice pin. Oh, that's super cute. And this is an enamel pin by Rather Keen. RatherKeen.com or at RatherKeen on Instagram. That is super, super cute. I love that. I love that it looks like a bottle top. That's really, really fun. Okay, cool. I see a treat. Okay. So we got a cookie, it looks like. It kind of looks like it might be a spice cookie, but maybe it's a pumpkin cookie. Not sure. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be like an eye on there. But I like that it's sealed. Thank you, Accio, for sealing this because food that's not sealed kind of wigs me out. So I really like that. Ooh, I think I see a shirt. Oh, and there's skeleton bones on it. Let's see. Wiggly worms everywhere. Okay, let me open this up. Okay, this is pretty cool. So it says, distal phalanges, purveyors of fine bones, fossils, fangs, and tusks. Number 31, Nocturne Alley, London. That is awesome. So this is supposed to be like a shop in Nocturne Alley, which I wonder if it's the shop that has the dancing bones at Universal Orlando. So I'm going to have to check that out next time I'm there. But that is really cool. I love this shirt. I love that it's really just a very slight nod to Harry Potter, but it's really cool. Very appropriate for Halloween. And this shirt is super soft. And as always on the back, they've got the Accio logo on there, but this time it's an orange, so that's really cool. Love that. Okay. I don't know if that's everything. Oh, nope, there's something else in here. Oh, well, that's cool. Thank you. So they put the wrong date on Bill and Fleur's wedding invitation. They put that it was in 1999, and it was actually in 1997. So they corrected the invitation, and they put it in our box this month. So that was really nice of them. So that's cool, and I loved this replica. I thought it was super beautiful. Okay, I don't know if oh, there we go. I was like, it didn't want to come out. So it says, Happy Death Day. Rest in peace, Sir Nicholas, 500 years. So it's a party hat. That's awesome. Because, they don't talk about it in the movies, but in the book, Harry went to Nearly Headless Nick's 500th Death Day party on Halloween. Okay, so I'm not going to lie, that was not easy to put together. But that is super cute. So it's got little potion bottles and tombstones and dead fish and little jack-o'-lanterns and coffins and skulls. So that is super, super cute. And I love that it's a little birthday hat for his party. That's very inventive. I like that a lot. And I think we are down to the cheat sheet. So let's see what the Accio Prophet has to say. Halloween has always been our favorite holiday. Heck, around here, it's practically a festive month, and it's important in the books as well. So many pivotal moments happen on Halloween. It seems only fitting that this year we take the month of October to celebrate the day Harry got his scar, formed the Golden Trio with his 2 best friends, and had his name come out of the goblet as the 4th Triwizard Champion. We hope you love this month's fun curation of cute and spooky items. So we have the Distal Phalanges Super Soft Tea, and this is a Nocturnale. We have the Pumpkin Juice Enamel Bottle Pin, and again, this is by Rather Keen. We have the Deathday Custom Hat Replica, so that is super cute, and that's an Accio exclusive. Oh, and then we have a Vegan Pumpkin Spice Cookie. So it says, call us basic witches, but we love the flavor of pumpkin spice. It's the perfect complement to crisp autumn breezes, falling leaves, and of course, Halloween. We think that these cookies are a delicious addition to our box, and with the name like Fat Badger Bakery, how could we pass them up? Badgers love cookies, it's a fact. As with all of their goodies, they are certified vegan and kosher and made in dairy-free, egg, and peanut-free facility. Find more fall flavors at fatbadgerbakery.com. So that's cool. I'll be interested to try the cookie. And then we have the Housed Ghost Canvas Scroll Wall Hangings. These are so beautiful, and they are all 4 house ghosts. Let me see if I can get this to focus on them. Those are stunning. And it just says, we fell in love with the fun and whimsical style of Crystal Smalls Ord last year at LeakyCon when she stopped by our booth, and we knew we wanted to include her artwork in a box. We commissioned her to hand illustrate each of these house ghosts for our Halloween box, and we made her beautiful pieces into hanging canvas scrolls for your wall. Each subscriber will receive the ghost for their preferred house, but we'll have extras if you want a complete set. You can find more of Crystal's work on Instagram at smallsord_art. Beautiful. And I might actually have to buy the other 3 because those are really, really cute. I love the style of those, and they did a really nice job packaging those and making those a nice piece for your wall. All right, cool. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Did you guys like this box? Are you excited for Halloween as much as I am? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.